Different. Alright, it's gonna be westbound on West 100. Copy, westbound 100. We're on copy, so we're right now. Woodland. Alright, you're coming up the Woodland now. Speed about 50, it looks like. Occupied Bravo Mike driver with white ball cap. Crossing the bridge right now. 313 Flyer, I've got 6 just east of 302 on one car. Back off, I got 6 just over the bridge on West 100. Alright, just cross the bridge, stand by, got somebody else side. I think you missed him, man. This is Dick. Lights off, no pursuit is authorized.
Dispatch has been left.
Copy, lights off, no pursuit authorized. Firefly still overhead. I'm about to say, yeah, I believe we got a stick here. It seems like I see something coming off. It could be the water pattern. Stand by. But now, lock the run behind us. Give him. Cal 14, that's my 6. Got 2 gunpoint fire. Copy, 2 gunpoint. Coming around. Fireplane, go up a little if you can, please. Hey, dog.
Hey, slowly! Stand up, keep your hands above your head and face away from us.
Weaver, grab my PA.
Oh, you're good. There you go. Stand up with your hands above your head. Very slowly, face away from us. Sidestep to your left. To your left. Like you got the guy on the ground. Keep going. Stop. With your right hand, I want you to place it behind your head. No, listen. Grab your shirt collar and pull your shirt up, exposing your waist. No, from the collar, exposing your waist. Very slowly, turn it, keep it up. Very slowly. Keep going. Expose your entire waist. Very slowly, turn around in a complete circle. Do it now. Okay, stop. Back. Keep going. Keep coming.
Sorry, 1-1 Time. He's having 2 more for point hunting on Vancouver. Everyone, they're still holding the channel on 1. We've got everyone on this channel. Channel, thank you for flight control. 1033, sir.
Dispatch